Good morning, students. Myself Sunil Kumar, Extension Lecturer in Geology. Today we will discuss about the gene interaction in paper 2 genetics semester 2nd BSc first year. Firstly, in this chapter, in this lecture, we will study the gene interaction. First, introduction, then type of gene interaction, then what is epistatic and hypostatic gene, and classification of epistatic gene interaction. These are so various. Then first, what is the introduction? What is the definition of the gene interaction? The phenomena of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in various way in the development of a single character of an organism is known as gene interactions. Means we can be say various way in the development of a single character on of an organism is known as gene interaction. And most of the characters of living organisms are controlled, influenced, governed by the collaboration of several different genes. Mendels and other workers assumed that characters are governed by a single genes, but later it was discovered that many characters are governed by the two or more genes that may be polygenic, epistatic, different way genes. Now, such genes affect the development of concerned characters in various ways. This lead to the modification of the typical dihybrid ratio 9:3:3:1 or trihybrid ratio 27:999:3:3:3:1. In gene interaction, expression of one gene depends on expression, presence or absence of the another genes. Types of gene interaction. They classified two types mainly. First, allelic non-epistatic gene interaction. Second, non-allelic epistatic gene interaction. First, what is the allelic means non-epistatic gene interaction. This type of gene interaction give the ratio in monohybrid cross is 3:1 and dihybrid cross 9:3:3:1, and this allelic ratio is known as Mendelism gene interaction also considered. Next, second one, non-allelic epistatic gene interaction. In this type of gene interaction, genes located on same or different chromosome interact with each other for their expression. Discovery of non-allelic gene interaction has been made after Mendel's and can best understood by the studying phenotypic traits of genes. Epistatic and hypostatic genes. Epistatic genes, when a gene or locus which suppress or mask the phenotypic expression of another genes at another locus, such type of gene interaction is known as epistatic gene, in which epistatic means suppress the other genes expression, means may be present in same locus or different locus, but inhibit or suppress the activity of the other genes is the epistatic genes, means mask over the other genes. And what is hypostatic genes? The genes or locus which was suppressed by the epistatic genes, mean hypostatic is suppressive gene and epistatic masking genes. Classification of epistatic genes. The classification are the following time. First, supplementary gene action, there is phenotypic ratio is 9:3:4, and second one, complementary gene interaction 9:7. Third, inhibitory gene action 13:3 phenotypic ratio, duplicate gene interaction 15:1 ratio, mask gene XN12 is to 3 is to 1 phenotypic ratio. Polygenic gene interaction 9 is to 6 is to 1 gene interaction. Then supplementary gene interaction. In supplementary gene interaction, the dominant allele of one of two genes governing a character produce phenotypic effects. Means for phenotypic effects, both genes are supplementary for each other. Means supply to the genes. However, dominant allele of the other genes does not produce a phenotypic effect on its own, but supplementary is necessary. But when it is present with dominant allele of the first gene, it modifies the phenotypic effect produced by that genes. For example, development of aggressive gray coat color in mice. You may see here dominant allele C produce colored phenotypes. You may say notice CC, capital C responsible for the colored, and here capital AA genes responsible for the albino. In gene interaction, colored is produced on in presence of that C genes, and albino is produced by the capital A genes. Then after CCA crossing, we get a agouti color, different type of colors. Then during F1 generation, for the F2 generation, we selfing here gametes formation like as such, and we see notice here CCAA produce agouti color. CCAA produce agouti color, agouti in every cases, but in case of lowercase letter CC, uppercase letter AA produce albino colors. Albino colors means C, capital letter C, and lowercase letter AA produce the colored. Means C and A are both are supplementary to produce the agouti color. Next, complementary gene interaction. If both genes loci have homozygous alleles and both of them produce identical phenotype, the F2 ratio becomes 9:7 instead 9:3:3. In such case, the genotypic A lowercase letter B uppercase letter gene AA lowercase B lower small case dominates hybrid case produce only such type of genes produce only one phenotypes. Both dominants allele when present together each other are called complementary genes and produce a different phenotype. Means both genes are the complementary for each other, produce a different type of phenotypes. Examples in sweet pea, Lateratus odorus, gene CC and PP, and PP in homozygous condition produce no color, means white, because expression of chromosome does not occur in homozygous condition. But we can see CC two types of various type of alleles having white color crossing in F1 generation, and we get a purple color having hybrid cross. Further F2 generation, we notice that white color produced by the either uppercase letter या homozygous of C genes or suppressive gene of the P genes in both cases. But in case of dominant C and dominant P genes produce colored purple flowers, means these are the complementary for each other, the expression of the colored purple flowers. This is the complementary genes, and there is the ratio is 9:7. 9 colored or purple genes, purple flowers, and 7 is white flowers. Next is inhibitory gene action. When dominant allele of one gene locus B in homozygous BB and heterozygous BB condition produce the same phenotype, the F2 ratio becomes 13:3 instead of 9:3:1 ratio. While homozygous recessive BB condition produce different phenotypic. Homozygous recessive BB condition inhibit phenotypic expression of other genes, so known as inhibitory gene expressions, means another genes which are present on locus or not locus, other locus, but inhibit the other genes expression is known as inhibitory gene, and there is the ratio is 13:3. Gene B when per example gene B when present in homozygous recessive condition, that is BB, it inhibits the action of other genes and other genes produce no phenotypes. You may see here example 13 white and 3 colored. White leg horse AABB, and in other case white Plymouth ABB. You may notice that AB 9 white, AB 3 colored, AB white, AB white. All over we get it 13 white and 3 colored Plymouth. Last one, next, duplicate gene interaction. When dominant allele of both genes loci produce the same phenotypic without cumulative effects, means only both genes act as the same condition. Only one dominant allele produce same effect, means duplicate for each other, and in case of ratio become phenotypic ratio become 15:1 instead of 9:3:1. Duplicate in gene interaction occurs in Shepherd's purse plant. In Shepherd's purse plant, seed capsule occur in two shapes, triangular and ovoid shape. Ovoid shape seed capsule occurs when both genes are present in homozygous recessive condition. You may see here triangular, ovoid. In case of gamete AB and ABAB, capital and lower let, means suppressive and dominant let represented. Here triangular crossing, and we get in every possibilities triangular all type of plants produce seed shape occurs in shepherd plants. You may notice, but in last one there is the suppressive recessive genes present, conditions present which presents only ovoid shape. This means there is 15:1 phenotypic ratio occurs in seed shape of the shepherd plants, and this is the duplicate gene interaction action. Next, masking gene effect. When out of two genes the dominant allele, example A of one gene, mask the activity of the allele of another gene B, they means there is the masking, means one gene is epistatic and other is hypostatic gene. A gene locus is said to be epistatic and B on the B gene's locus. Dominant allele A expresses itself only in presence of the either B or B, as such type of epistatic is known as dominant epistatic, and other is recessive conditions. You may notice here 12:3:1 ratio is occurs. Thank you so much. These are the type of gene interaction. Thank you so much.